Good morning, everyone. It's another warm Tuesday here in Phoenix. This is the start of another adventure though. I'm going up north this time with one of my friends. We're going to this creek area that you can kind of swim in, jump off cliffs and stuff like that. So it's a couple hours north, so we're gonna get on the road here and then I'll catch you guys when we get there. But this should be the start of another cool adventure. Let's go.
I ain't gotta hear your voice and know what you're talking about. Yeah, breaking all on this floor, then you storm out the door. I can tell you want some more. Take your time, cause your love is what I adore. Baby, yeah, cry, dancing all over the floor. Yeah, they watching the way that we soar. Cry, eyes on you, baby. Go crazy. Heartbreaker, I ain't gotta hear your voice and know what you're talking about. Yeah. Breaking all on this floor, then you storm out the door. Yeah, quiet, dancing all over the floor. Yeah, they're watching the way that we soar. Quiet, eyes on you, baby. Make them go crazy. Yeah, quiet.
Okay, we made it to the waterfall here. It's pretty cold so far, but it's been a cool hike. So the water's freezing, but I'm gonna jump in one more time. And then not sure what else we're doing after this, but I'll catch you guys when we get there.
I know you're scheming, don't be selfish, babe. Let it float away to the night of day, to the night out. Dancing all over the floor. Yeah, they watching the way that we soar. Eyes on you, baby. Make them go crazy.
Pretty much all done here. It was a really cool hike. The waterfall was cool. The water was freezing cold, but it's been fun. Now we just have a long drive back home. Let's go.
Dancing all over the floor. Yeah, they watching the way that we soar. Eyes on you, baby. Make them go crazy. Bailando conmigo, amor. I need what you give, por favor. Bailando conmigo, amor. They watching the way that we soar. Dancing all over the floor.
Finally made it back home now. It's been a long day though, almost 300 miles traveled, but it's been another fun adventure. Can't wait for the next one as always, and thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you then. See ya.